Hi there, thanks for stopping by. Let me show you something really exciting we've been working on. We built this showcase with Microsoft to explore how emerging AI technologies could completely change the way we discover and interact with content. Let's jump right into the demo, and afterward, I'll explain how it all works behind the scenes.
Hi, I'm Jason, your personal commentator for the NBA Finals. I'm here to guide you through the strategy, players, and exciting on-court action. You control the experience. What do you want to see?
For this showcase, we're using last year's NBA Finals. Instead of scrolling through menus or content rails, I'll just ask my personal sports commentator, show me Jason Tatum's three-point highlights.
Sure thing. Let's get that started. Let's dive in and take a look at Jason Tatum's three-point highlights from Game 3 of the 2024 NBA Finals. The game tips off, setting the stage for what promises to be a thrilling contest between the Celtics and the Mavericks. Early in the first quarter with the score 9-22, Jason Tatum takes the ball and calmly sinks a 26-foot three-pointer. This shot showcases his range and confidence, a key element of his offensive arsenal. Midway through the first, the Celtics are trailing. Tatum again demonstrates his scoring ability with another three-pointer from 26 feet. This shot, assisted by Jaylen Brown, highlights the Celtics' offensive synergy. Now into the second quarter. The game is tight. Tatum takes over, he drives, uses a screen, and then pulls up from 28 feet. The shot is nothing but net, giving Boston the lead back. In the third quarter, Tatum continues his hot shooting. He receives a pass from Jaylen Brown and confidently steps into another three-point attempt. This 27-foot shot extends the Celtics' lead, and Tatum shows yet again that he can perform under pressure. Okay, let me pause here.
Pretty cool, right? Instead of just throwing clips together into a playlist, we create a narrative. It feels intentional, like something someone edited. That's because a lot of effort has gone into ensuring our custom AI has a deep understanding of not only what's happening on the screen, but also the strategy and plays of basketball, and a lot of background to the player's strengths and abilities. I'll come back to this in a moment. You'll notice on the pause screen that we obviously have contextual options for the users to keep exploring based on what they've just been watching. It's picked up that the current clip has a specific strategy play in it. Let's learn more about that.
A pick and roll is a basketball play where one player sets a screen to block a defender, creating space for the ball handler and giving him multiple options. In this example from the final series, Al Horford sets a screen for Jaylen Brown, allowing Brown to drive to the basket, pass to the rolling Horford, or find an open teammate if the defense collapses.
A lot of the strategy of basketball is critical to the game, but can be a barrier for casual viewers becoming dedicated fans. Having smart, guided explanations can break down those barriers in an engaging, user-driven way. This is a sports demo, but the same AI approach would work really well for news, docu-entertainment, politics, etc. We also have options to dive into the players, and our assistant can give you information about them or organize their best highlights for you. Let's dive into Jason Tatum's profile for a bit.
Jason Tatum is a superstar forward with elite scoring ability and polished all-around game. He's the driving force behind Boston's finals push. Interested in his biggest moments this postseason?
Okay, let's continue exploring how we can create automated narrated stories. Show me Luka Doncic's best plays.
Okay, I'm putting that together for you now. Early in the first quarter, with the score 2-2, Luka Doncic takes over. He executes a step-back three-pointer from 27 feet, showcasing his exceptional range and skill. A confident start for the Mavericks. Still in the first, Doncic displays his driving ability. He uses a series of skillful dribbles to penetrate the Celtics' defense, finishing with a smooth layup. Okay, let me pause here.
See how the clips, the commentary, and the presentation all come together? That's the kind of experience we're aiming for. Okay, let me quickly walk you through how we made this happen. The showcase combines 3 different AI components that we designed and built at UIC Digital. First, there's the metadata indexer. We use a combination of Microsoft's brand new content understanding tool and our own basketball-specific indexing engine. It breaks the video into scenes and uses multimodal video analysis to create custom metadata like actions, shot types, descriptions, and more. Next, we have the AI Story Builder. This is what turns your request, like show me Kyrie Irving's 3-point highlights, into a polished highlight video. This is something UIC Digital spent a lot of time crafting. In the back end, we did data grounding on the NBA's player database, as well as training the AI on hours of human commentary for basketball. Building this type of tool bespoke gives a much higher quality, extremely watchable video compared to a generic AI clip creation tool. We can also use this same component in automated or semi-automate content workflows like creating and publishing social media clips. Finally, we have the narrator. We hired a voice actor and trained a number of voice models to sound like a real sports commentator, with the right level of emotion, excitement, and intonation. That's it. Feel free to ask any questions, or better yet, try the demo for yourself.